guys, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the release day for LAWN FAWN. So I have gotten all the pre-orders out. They are shipped out. So what I have left is what I'm going to share with you, and these will be ready to ship ASAP. And I do still have some of the year 10s left, and I am throwing these in as a free gift with orders over $75. You'll see it pop into your cart once your order qualifies. So that's the year 10 stamp, and then the coordinating die is also available for purchase. They have another cute little one, which is called Charge Me Up. It's a cute little robot. You get your little push here, so it's great for those light up cards. And then a coordinating die for that one as well. Easter before and afters. So this is great with their before and after die. And you can use this without it. It's just a really cute stamp set with the cute little bunnies coloring up Easter eggs. One's popping out of the Easter basket there. This is the coordinating die, and the die does cut on the inside of those baskets. We've got Hey Lady, which is a little magnifying glass with some ladybugs and a leaf. There is the coordinating die for that as well. I think this one is my favorite. This one is called Dandy Day. I just love the little dandelions and the mice, and it just is so cute. And then you can have these little dandelion pieces floating away. I love that image there with the little baby and the mom or the dad picking the little baby up to sea. We've got nice sentiments in here. Just really nice stamp set. And then that's the coordinating die for that. And this is another favorite of mine, Really High Five. I love it. You can make interactive cards with this, have the little critters going up and down on the trampoline. You can have them floating away on the balloons. Just super, super cute. Whee, yay, high five. I love this one because you could do interactive cards with it. Really, really cute. We've got a bug deal. So we got all these little bugs. There's a little cupcake with a leaf on it. There's tree branches and leaves. The little sentiment there says, "Hey love bug, sorry to bug you. Happy birthday, feel better, caught a bug." Just really cute. And then we've got Swan Soiree. Beautiful swans, a little pond. There is a little pond die, so this would go perfect with that stamp set. And I love this one as well. This one is the Superstar. It's just really cool to make a galaxy scene. And then this cute little mouse. You can have him looking through the telescope there. And then this is the coordinating die to cut out the galaxies. We've got this Don't Worry, Be Happy. So these cute little guys. There's a little bunny and a little frog. You can do bookmarks and have the behinds show on the other side of your bookmark. And then these nice sentiments here in this block look. Perfect for your bookmarks and perfectly to fit on here. So you could get this as an add-on to cut out and make little bookmarks. And then we've got the coordinating die. We've got Say What Spring Critters, which is adorable. These cute little guys. There's a speech bubble, and then all these sentiments. These blocky ones can fit in this speech bubble. The die does cut out the speech bubble as well. We've got Reveal Wheel Circle Sentiments. So this is kind of cool how the sentiments are in a circle. And then these are separate. You could stamp the smiley faces out separately. Really, really cool. And there is a coordinating die to cut out those as well. So the coordinating die cuts out, looks like the inside of the circle. We've got the arrow and then two little parts here which look like the notes We've got Oliver Stitch ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. Nice set to have in your stash. We've got some balloons. We've got the Stitch balloon frames and I think these are the outside in Stitch balloon stackables. Great for birthday cards. You could have the little critters holding a little string and then the giant balloon taking them away. We've got rolled roses. That's for some 3D roses you put together. You could cut out with felt or cardstock. We've got a pop-up hello. You can see a little sample here on the back. So you put it on the inside of your card, you open it up, and the hello is popped up. Tiny gift box ladybug add-on. Offset sayings birthday. So we've got a lot of birthday sayings in here. Mix and match, make your own sentiments. Cattail borders, so this is perfect for the little pond and the swans. We've got stitched bouncy trails. You could also make clouds out of these. They don't cut out, they just make stitching like an outline on your card. Meadow backdrop landscape. These are really cute. So you got your portrait and your landscape. And then you got all these parts to create a little meadow scene. So that's fun. Spring critter huggers. So we can make 3 cute little guys here. We've got, looks like a duck, a chick, and a bunny rabbit. Very cute. We've got some Magic Iris add-ons. I'm out of stock on the Magic Iris, but if you put your email in there and you want me to order it, I will reorder that. We got the Reveal Wheel Circle add-on frames. So this is the speech bubble and balloon. And then we've got the tulip add-on. And then the sun and flower add-on. And then we've got your templates for the reveal wheel. We got the tulip and the circle. We've got stencils. This is new from LAWN FAWN. So we've got the bayou. So you get some seaweed-like foliage. And then we've got cloudy stencil, and your clouds go all the way around. There is a grid on these stencils. And the grassy hillside stencil. And the grassy stencil. So this one doesn't have any hills. That one's straight across. And then we've got the hillside stencils. And we got paper, the Dandy Day paper. So this got the really pretty dandelions. And then the sunshine, Hello Sunshine paper pad with rainbows and sun rays, clouds. And then their inks are the jellyfish. And the kiddie pool. We've got the sparkle cord. I have the pretty in pink. I have one left. And I have one left of this enamel pen, You Glow Girl. So there are some limited quantities on these. This is what I have left over from my pre-order sale. And thank you guys who did a pre-order. I really do appreciate it. And I worked really, really hard to get your orders out today. So today is the release day. And so you guys could get your items quickly and start crafting and go LAWN FAWN crazy. So thanks guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys!